Drew here with Action Millionaire. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that gets me down a lot is when I worry. And something that I want to encourage everyone not to do is worry. Worry can kill you. Worry can kill your thoughts. Worry can kill everything that you're working for. Worry can kill your business. It can get in your mind and it can start festering and making things up that haven't actually happened yet. So I want to encourage everyone that in this last month of 2020, really focus on yourselves, focus on your thoughts, focus on what your goal is and what you want to bring into 2021. I believe personally that 2020 is going to end and 2021 is going to bring a lot of excitement, a lot of hope, and a lot of just prosperous adventures. And I believe that the way I'm going to experience that, and the way that everyone can experience that, is by finding that hope and finding that strength in everything that we do, in all of our relationships, in all of our careers, all of our online businesses, whatever we're doing in our life. But find that hope in what you're doing and find that strength to push forward. And the way that I do that is I have to not worry about everything, not worry about what people think about me, not worry about the circumstances of the world right now. The world we live in right now is very difficult. The world we live in right now is very unpredictable. But I know that if I continue to move forward and I continue to do what I set out to do and do what my goals are, which is to start a successful online business, to have financial freedom for my family, to be the example to my sons that I need to be, and to continue to help others do the same thing. And I have to continue to move forward and have hope that 2020 will end. 2021 will be prosperous, and I will find hope and I will find freedom in that year. And if you would like to make that choice today, if you would like to start a successful online business and change your life today, I challenge you to click the link below in the descriptions and find that freedom and find that path where you can find people that can help you move forward in your personal, professional, and your physical life, in being the best person you can be and have that awesome life that you've always wanted. So if you would like to make that change in your life, I challenge you to click that link in the description below. And actually you can actually click the link below too and get a free book. My friend Jeff, he wrote the Millionaire Shortcut, and that's a free book that you can download. And if you click that link, it'll you can get it right there, and it'll download right into your inbox. So I'm just encouraging everyone to stop worrying about tomorrow, live for today, be the person that you're supposed to be, and take action in your life and change yourself and the world around you to the best of your ability. Thanks for joining me on my channel. Remember to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. If you want to take action in your life today, please click the link below in the description. Remember to like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for future videos.